If your body feels tired, but your mind won't slow down, this meditation is for you. Your nervous system doesn't need fixing. It needs safety. In the next few minutes, your system will be gently reminded how to let go, step by tender step. Let my voice guide you. Find a position that feels kind to your body, whether lying down or seated. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Feel your eyes growing heavier and heavier, and gently close them. This is your sacred pause. Allow all distractions to soften into the background. You are safe to turn inward. Begin to deepen your breath. Inhale slowly for 5 counts, allowing the air to fill your belly first, then your chest. Exhale for 5. Long, smooth, and complete. Again, inhale, peace. Exhale, letting go. With every breath, your heart rhythm begins to harmonize, creating a quiet bridge between your body, your mind, and a deeper sense of trust. Bring your awareness to the parts of your body that touch the surface beneath you. Notice how you are being held, gently supported, cradled by the earth. In your mind's eye, imagine delicate roots growing downward from your body, from your feet, your hips, your spine, slowly spreading into the earth below you. These roots anchor you into a vast reservoir of stillness and strength. From deep within the earth, a warm, golden light begins to rise, traveling gently up through these roots and into your body. Pure safety flows through you now. Feel this divine radiance softening your feet, your legs, your hips, your belly. As it moves upward, it washes through your spine, filling your heart with ease, releasing every burden from your shoulders, burdens you no longer need to carry. Melting tension from your arms and hands. The light continues to rise through your neck, relaxing your jaw, the muscles of your face, your forehead, thoughts lose their urgency. Heavy emotions soften. Your entire system receives the message. All is well. The earth's energy soothes every nerve, every cell in your body. Your nervous system gently shifts out of survival into rest, repair, and balance. Remain here for a few quiet breaths, dwelling in this light's embrace, allowing regulation to settle naturally, without effort. Softly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently move your fingers, your toes, and whenever it feels right, blink your eyes open. If your body feels a little more settled now, you are very welcome here. Subscribe and return whenever your nervous system needs a place to rest.